There's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, and that's with the sun and the warmer temperatures are going to be the perfect ingredients for some severe weather later this afternoon. We've got a enhanced risk, that's in the orange there, plus a slight risk for the rest of our area. This is from the National Weather Service. I know these are kind of confusing, but basically they're just levels of the risk, and out of 5, we're at a 2 and a 3. So it's not a high risk, but it is there, and we will likely get some strong thunderstorms this afternoon. I was talking about those perfect ingredients. One is a south wind that is very strong, near 20 miles per hour right now from the south and the Champlain Valley, pulling in a lot of moisture out of the south, and that puts our dew points at 70. It's not very often we get up to that 70 mark. That is that muggy, very uncomfortable, oppressive air that you're feeling. And when those numbers are that high, combine that with the heat and you get a lot of lift, and that's again what you need for those thunderstorms. Nice and warm, low 80s already in the Champlain Valley, likely a couple more degrees to go. It's all thanks to warm air surging in ahead of that cold front that we're expecting late tonight as it approaches and passes, firing up those thunderstorms that they're already getting over the Great Lakes and into the Midwest. Behind this, we've got some really nice weather headed our way. We just have to get through these thunderstorms that we are expecting for the rest of the afternoon. So 85 today, a couple more degrees to go, plus those strong thunderstorms and that windy, humid air. Overnight tonight, we start to see a couple scattered showers left over, not much else besides that low mid 60s for our lows. And then tomorrow afternoon behind that front, looking pretty good. Upper 70s, a few spotty showers at the very most, and some relief from that humidity. Here we are with dew points this afternoon and evening in the low and mid 70s. Once that cold front passes tonight, those numbers do dip and it'll feel a lot better around here. Now let's talk about that important stuff. National Weather Service is talking about issuing a tornado watch for part of our area probably in the next few minutes here. That's going to be most likely for northern New York. I know it sounds scary, but for us, biggest threats out of these thunderstorms is going to be the damaging wind gusts, and we could see some power outages out of these little guys that are going to be popping up, knocking over some tree branches and things like that. Of course, don't want to rule out that tornado possibility, but especially over northern New York, not the best chances for that. Definitely worth mentioning though. These are going to be moving east throughout the evening. At first, just your pop-up stuff, but then probably organizing, and you might get some lines of thunderstorms again with those damaging wind gusts, knocking some tree branches over and things like that. So that's later this evening, again, coming in pulses out of these thunderstorms. But the good news out of all this is look how quickly it moves on through, and we end up with a mostly dry Wednesday. And like I said, upper 70s with some sunshine should turn into a really nice day. So heavy rain, damaging wind gusts, and you get your frequent lightning out of these thunderstorms that will pass through very quickly. So just hang tight when they arrive and make sure that you're staying definitely aware of what's going on. We will have you updated as those thunderstorms potentially get some warnings out of them. Nice weather returns tomorrow afternoon, and then from there, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday all look really good. Low and mid 70s and some sun.